Smillon team has been focusing on humidifier manufacturing for years, and now we have many different models of humidifiers, from mechanical to touch control, from simple design to smart design, from cool mist to warm mist, from purification to sterilization, and now more new models are coming. Hello everyone, welcome to Smillon 127th Canton Fair live show. This is Lynn, and today we have Smillon Sales Director Lynn Huang to introduce us about who we are and why choose us. Hello Jelly.
Hi, hello everyone.
We all know that Smillon has been specialized in humidifier industry, from outlook design, inner structure, tooling, injection, production to sales. Each year, we export more than 500,000 pieces of humidifier to overseas market. Jelly, could you please introduce us more about the company?
Sure, that's the main topic we're going to talk today. Who we are and why choose us. Firstly, I would like to introduce Smillon's history story. Since 2003, our team started working in the humidifier business, which is a new product in China market. In 2003, our team started working in humidifier business, which is a new product in China market. In 2010, we established Smillon Commercial Company to run humidifier project with qualified factory. We do design, do R&D, and we invest tooling cost and exportation. As the market expands and customer increases, in April 2015, we decided to found our own factory facilities for offering better quality products and service to our customers. In 2019, we had larger production capacity twice and have around 100 workers to meet orders requirements. Yearly product exportation quantity reached 500,000 pieces and turnover exceeded $7 million. We cooperated closely with more than 80 brands customers among over 50 countries. Now we're keeping move ahead and struggling for our great vision based on the company's mission.
Thank you for the introduction. I just now noticed that you mentioned about the company's mission and vision. Could you please explain more about them?
Okay. Firstly, I would like to share with you about our company's mission. Create comfortable and healthy life is our mission. This is the only principle to lead us on product development, product marketing, and company strategic planning. When we make any decision, the question that we must consider and confirm is whether it meets the company's mission, and does it really bring comfort and health to our consumer. For example, to choose a kind of material, an inner structure, or even a subtle consumer experience, we will take more comfort and health as the selection criteria. Focusing on comfort and health makes us more clear about who we are and where we are going.
Wow, the mission of create a comfortable and healthy life is so impressive, and it's clear to see that the mission provides a clear direction of the company to move ahead.
Yes, in addition, I would like to share with you about Smillon's vision.
Oh, the vision? Is it the long-term target of the company?
Exactly. Our Smillon's vision is committed to becoming the most excellent air care specialist. We will continuously build a stronger R&D team, expand the investment on R&D to break through and overcome the pain points and the difficulties of the industry one by one. Meanwhile, by building rigorous operation team and professional marketing and sales team, we will be more capable of providing high quality air care and bring health and comfort to our customer to fulfill our greater vision.
Yes, we are looking forward to seeing our vision to come alive soon. Dear friends, do you have a better understanding of Smillon? We assure that you will get benefit by working with us to expand your humidifier market. Next comes with the reason why us.
With the fierce competition in the market, choose a reliable partner is the most important step to build your business empire. Otherwise, you will be suffering from it day and night. Now, let me introduce you what we do for customer and how to make you enjoy the cooperation with us. There are 6 reasons why choose us. Firstly, we develop and offer you unique and innovative humidifier products. I will introduce you later how unique and innovative they are. Secondly, 6 steps quality assurance. We all know that quality is the life of a brand and an enterprise. Thirdly, on-time delivery makes you no worry at all for launching your product as planned. Fourthly, 2-year warranty. It shows our confidence in quality products and our determination to leave no worries to our customers on after-sales service. Fifthly, efficient customer service. Any of your inquiry and questions will be responded in 24 hours. We received your email or call. Sixthly, see who we work with. Lots of big brands had done factory audit and improvement for you before you choose us, and we want you to be our next satisfied customer. Here comes with our unique and innovative products. To avoid white powder headache, we develop demineralization cartridge, vaporization humidifier, and air washer. To offer clean humidity and bring comfort, we use HEPA and active carbon filter, warm mist, aroma, negative ion. To create bacterial-free and sterilized room air, we adopt UVC, silver iron, 100-degree heating. To ensure safety, we have out shut-off function when lifting water tank or water lace, and PTC fuse protector. To enable easy cleaning, we design big water tank opening. To reduce noise, we design better air channel and use low noise fan. To have connection with smartphones, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are available.
Wow, so many innovative features. I believe that R&D team should have spent lots of time and energy to work it out. I think this is another main strength of Smillon comparing to other suppliers, right?
Exactly. Actually, for quality control, we have a very powerful solution which is named 6 steps quality assurance. Do you know what's the 6 steps respectively? 1. Qualify the supplier and component selection. We have a complete procedure to select suppliers and approve components according to ISO 9001 standard. High-quality components are essential for us to ensure the stability and the reliability of product quality. For example, PCB. We cooperate with the largest humidifier PCB supplier, which is a listed company. For fans, even if the price is higher, we still buy from a famous brand. In our opinion, quality is everything. 2. Incoming quality check. Incoming quality check is to make sure all components before mass production is completely qualified. Some critical parts we will check it 100% one by one. 3. First article inspection. Before mass production, the workshop will assemble one piece of unit and call for QC first article inspection. Our QC will check all details to confirm if it is compliant with order requirements. The first article inspection not only helps to ensure the products conform to the order, but also help us to find possible problems before mass production.
4. Input process quality control. For the IPQC program, each machine must be checked 3 times one by one. Firstly, safety and technical data checking include the power supply, hypotest current, isolation, and etc. Secondly, after passed the first check, it will be carried out live test for 15 to 20 minutes online. Thirdly, QC will check all functions to see if it is worked well after live test. 5. Finished quality check. QC will select 5% unit per hour at random to do full list quality check, to check the quality stability and to monitor the quality during whole production period. 6. Outgoing quality check. Outgoing quality check or pre-shipment inspection can be carried out by client QC, the third party, or Smillon's QC. It's up to the client. We will issue the full inspection report in English when we perform this outgoing quality check on behalf of client.
Under strict quality control, I believe all products will have a good market performance and can get high customer satisfaction. Do you have any data sheet to show how satisfied your customers are, like the customer retention rate and satisfaction rate or on-time delivery rate?
Yes.
Every month, we will do statistics on the above information to see how we are doing. Our PMC department will collect order list to organize the production schedule and view it daily, weekly, and monthly for making sure on-time delivery. And we do customer satisfaction questionnaire per year to get more comments and feedback from our customer for improving our service. Here comes with the drawing of on-time delivery rate, customer satisfaction rate, and customer retention rate during past 5 years.
Sounds great! Customer satisfaction is the biggest motivation for us to move ahead. Regarding to the 2-year warranty and the efficient customer service, do you have anything to share with us?
Yes.
2-year warranty. It is not only a kind of confidence in product quality, but also a kind of determination to leave no worries and troubles to our customer. As I introduced before, firstly, we make sure product quality by 6 steps quality assurance. Secondly, we collect quality feedback from customer and market time to time to improve. Thirdly, we believe that attitude matters all. We will be fully responsible for all problems and issues related to the manufacturing. No any excuse. And provide necessary assistance even though it is not a fault of manufacturing.
Thanks for sharing, Jelly. The last and important part is who we work with. I can't wait to see about them and their stories. Can you please share with us?
No problem. I will be happy to share with you about this topic.
As you know, our market positioning is middle and high level of humidifiers. We focus on R&D to have more unique features to create added value for customers. Meanwhile, we would like to find our target customer who has the similar market positioning and hold the same attitude towards quality control, win-win cooperation, consumer experience oriented, to establish strategic cooperation relationship and serve market and consumer together. Luckily, we obtained many of our strategic partners and established very closely and friendly cooperation. See below part of our partners. Actually, we made annual report for each of our partner and we saw the growth curve drawing of each partner. We have annual meeting with some of our partners to discuss new product development, market strategy, promotional plan, and the target market share increasement together. We are professional in humidifier product development, and you are good at the marketing, branding, and sales network development. I believe that we can have a promising future with strong teamwork and resource integration.
Thanks, Jilly. Thanks for sharing with who we are and why you choose us. Dear friends, I think there are more than enough reasons to choose Smillon as your humidifier partner, and sincerely hope that you will be the next beneficial and have your promising future. Dear friends, if you want to watch the product videos, please leave us a message. Our service team is ready for your inquiry. We are now having promotion. The first 20 inquirers will get a sample free of charge. For more information, please contact our service team. Thank you very much.